Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix connection and server issues in Rainbow Six Siege. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and then just write here cmd or command prompt and run as administrator here. Press yes, and here you need to write ip config / flush DNS. And after that, another command that you need to put is nesh winsock reset. And then restart your computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to the system tree that is on the bottom right corner. You should find network and internet access, right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then go to advanced network settings, and then press on network reset. And if you're using Wi-Fi, make sure that you know your password because you need to re-enter it again. And if you're using internet, don't worry about that. It will be automatic. You don't need to do nothing here. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to more network adapter options. And then you need to find the basically internet that you're using. Right click on it, go to disable here. And it should be no internet for you here. You need to wait for a couple of seconds here and then enable again. And after that, if the problem persists, then you need to go to properties and make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then select use the following DNS server addresses here. And on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.